Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called speculative buying. Speculation is the buying of an asset or financial instrument with the hope that the price of the asset or financial instrument will increase in the future. Speculative investors tend to make decisions more often based on technical analysis of market price action rather than on fundamental analysis of an asset or security. They also tend to be more active market traders, often seeking to profit from short-term price fluctuation as opposed to being buy and hold investors. Speculation is often frowned upon and derided by many financial experts. However, the truth is that speculators do not deserve the common public perception that cast them as a bad guys. Speculators are not bad guys, they are helpful guys. Speculators are the people who create fortune, nourish ideas, businesses and economies, who help create the next big thing. Bill Gates and Steve Jobs were speculators. Warren Buffett is a speculator, venture capitalist. The people who fund startup for new ideas and new businesses are speculator. In short, speculator are an important and valuable part of world's financial markets. So in the purchasing also we use speculative buying in manufacturing and similar organization to make a profit in the trading environment. Thanks for watching. Bye.